Here we have our popular FM series. On display we have 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch. Today we're talking about our 3/8 size. In our listing, look in the bottom left-hand corner for the M4 style, designating the 3/8 body size. The FM series offers a heavy brass construction with an oversized sleeve, making connection a breeze by simply pushing to connect. The oversized sleeve allows for easy disconnection even while wearing gloves. This series utilizes a locking pin, in this case 4 pins, instead of ball bearings, which can get loose into the flow path and possibly damage equipment. There are many configurations besides the female pipe thread shown. Here we have male thread, hose barb, and push lock barb. We also offer many options for plugs. In steel we have many configurations and jump sizes. On display we have the hose barb, push lock hose barb. We have female thread, an oversized hex, and male thread. In brass we offer hose barb, and then we offer male thread. Thank you for watching. Look in the bottom left-hand corner of our listing under the M4 style.